What is up, you guys? Today What is up, you guys? It is me, Juliana. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. So every time I post a video on here, I always say I'm going to be more consistent, and I was really thinking about it, and I was like, okay, why am I not posting on YouTube? But I think the thing is that I just overthink it and I want everything to be perfect. So from here on out, I just want to make my videos pretty casual, just like we're hanging out. I always post on my IG stories like it's nothing, so I'm gonna start posting on here like it's nothing and just make it very casual, like I said, just as if we were hanging out. So my first video back, I wanted to film a Amazon favorites. I know everyone loves Amazon. I have an obsession. I always catch myself going on there and searching up things, and I always buy stuff off of there. If you have TikTok, you know that TikTok makes you buy like 10 times more things on Amazon because everybody's constantly posting new stuff. So that's a whole separate video. I have a video planned on all the things I bought from TikTok. But today I wanted to share a few of my Amazon favorites. I think I have close to 20, so I don't want to make this intro very long, so let's get right into it. You guys know I had to start my Amazon favorites video with my absolute favorite product ever. This is my Selfie Tripod. It is so good. Literally, I use this on a daily basis. Me and my fiance use it all the time, especially when we go on trips. Everybody always thinks we have a personal photographer, when in reality, it's just this tripod, and you just stick your phone in here. It customizes to whatever size you need it, and then it comes with this really simple Bluetooth remote that just sets up super quick. Just all around, this product is so good. 10/10 would recommend. I think I got it for under 25 bucks. There's a ton on Amazon now, but it's really just useful for anything, whether you need to film like IGTV videos, if you just want to take a quick selfie, if you want to film TikToks. This is it. This is so good. While we're talking about tripods, I wanted to share this cute little phone stand. It's just like a pink, rose-ish, goldish color. But I like to keep it on my desk. I like to have my phone propped up on it when I'm sitting at my desk and like notification or text message comes through. It's really easy for me to just like look at my phone, and it like is perfectly aligned with my face, so it unlocks my phone. Or when I'm in the kitchen and I have a recipe from like Pinterest on my phone, it's really nice to have like your phone propped up on the stand instead of just having it straight on the counter. I don't know, it's like a necessity that you didn't know you needed, but it makes life easier, so would recommend this. With that being said, I always like to keep my phone stand with my charger plugged into my phone while I'm working. These phone chargers are such a steal. I believe they came in a pack of 3 for less than $10, which is crazy. The cord itself is very like stiff, and it feels like it won't break, which is always nice. So it comes in a pack of 3, like I said, and it comes with a 3-foot cord, a 6-foot cord, and a 9-foot cord, which is the one I keep by my bed because the outlet is a little bit further. But it's just a really nice, sturdy charger cord, and I feel like that is a major steal. Like, how do you get 3 chargers for $10? While we're talking about chargers, I'm just going to share with you guys these cable clips. I got these because they're like these little circle things that you just stick on to like your desk or wall or your nightstand, and it helps like keep your charger propped up in like the perfect spot. So like if you're laying in bed at night, you don't have to like search for the charger on the ground. It's just kind of like perfectly placed onto your nightstand, or same with your desk or whatever. It just keeps your cables organized and perfectly placed for you to grab. Next item is pretty self-explanatory. This is just a spray bottle. I'm constantly using like old bottles that had product in it at one point and just using them as a spray bottle, but I had to go the more bougie route and just get a rosé spray bottle, because who doesn't need a rosé spray bottle? The next item is a Lint Roller. So it looks like this, very compact. You can keep it in your purse or your car, and then you just twist it, and the lint roller part actually comes out, and you can just like use it or whatever. It's kind of one of those things where you don't really need, but I mean, all of these things are kind of things that you don't really need, but it just makes life cooler. It kind of looks like a lightsaber, which is always a plus. And I feel like whenever I have lint rollers and I just throw them in drawers, it always seems like whatever's in the drawer, whether it's hair or lint or whatever, gets stuck onto them. So this is just a more fancy way to have a lint roller. This next piece is so good. It's just a light, and it actually has like an extension so you can put it on top of your camera. So this would be really good if you like didn't have a ring light and just wanted something compact, or if you wanted to travel with this, you just turn it on and it actually has an adjustment right here. And it is such a bright light. Like at nighttime, it guys, yes, it's just a really good light, and I think it was like around $20, which is a steal, especially if you're looking for a bright light or you want to film like makeup tutorials or whatever. It's just nice to have, and it is battery operated. I lost the back of it, so that's why it looks like that. But yeah, next item I have is fairly small. It's just this little tool that helps you open up packages or open up envelopes or whatever you need to open. It has like this little blade right here, but it's sharp, but like not sharp enough to cut you, which is cool. But I just keep it on my desk if I have like PR packages or any mail that I need to quickly open. I suck at like opening mail how normal people open it. I don't know, but this. Okay, so this next one is one of the coolest, but not one of the best, because this is a blender cup, which is freaking amazing when you think of it. It's like a mini blender, but like, let's say you're on the go and you just need a smoothie for whatever reason, you just have to have one, and then you just throw your fruit in here before you go. You put it in there and then you close it and you just press this. Do you guys see that? Can you see it? There's a blade in there. Yes. So the blending power on this is not good, which is the reason why I said it's cool but not the best. I would say it's maybe like a 6 or a 7. It's kind of disappointing, but still a pretty cool flex if you have this. It doesn't do well with ice, which is the problem, but if you had like just juice and fruit, then it would do okay. But I mean, it's cool. So then after you have your smoothie or you eat or do whatever, it's always nice to have a clean tongue. So this is just a tongue scraper. This is my newest item. I've seen a bunch of people rave about this, and so far I actually like it. I've used it about 3 times, and it's just really nice and easy to get whatever gross stuff or food or whatever you need to get off of your tongue. So okay, if you haven't seen these before, then I'm 100% positive you live under a rock. Just kidding. But this is so cool. This is just a USB candle lighter, so it lights up, and then you can bend it to whatever you need, like let's say this, and then you just click the button on the side and light your candle. This is really cool. I think it was around $15, so it's definitely a good buy, because if you guys have bought like the lighters from the store, they're around that price, but after they go out, they're out. And this, you can just charge it just like you charge your phone. So next thing I have is this organizer planner thing. So it has like all of the days of the week, and then it has the tasks that you need to get done, a to-do list, and a habit tracker, which is really cool. But I just like to keep everything that I need to do. I really like that it's a notepad, because once you're done with that week, you could just like tear off the page and then you're off to a new fresh page. So would recommend this. While we are on the subject of calendars and notepads, I actually got a pretty good sized dry erase calendar board for my fiance for his birthday, and I'm gonna just link a picture so you guys can see. And I think it was under $20, but it's probably like this big, and it's just really nice, simple white border calendar dry erase board, so you can write down your to-do list or just an overview of like your month and keep it all organized. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have for sure seen this bag. I am obsessed with this bag. This bag is everything. It has a ton of compartments. It's kind of like a dupe for the Louis Vuitton one. It has this really nice gold hardware, and I feel like it feels like a pretty good bag. I like that it has multiple compartments to keep everything separate. And what I like about it is that I actually seen it customizable in like 9 different ways. So if you don't want the thick strap, you can take it off and you can just use the chain as like your strap. You can take off this part, you can take off any part and just really customize the way that you want it. I love that it has multiple compartments, like you said, just to keep everything separate. But it is a all-around great bag, super simple and chic, and kind of just goes with everything and super cute. This next piece is a book, so it's called Jesus Calling, and it has devotions for every single day. I've posted these on my story a ton of times, and people always ask what book it's from. So it's from Amazon. I'm sure they have it at a ton of other bookstores and whatnot, but I got this one off of Amazon. I think it was around $10, so it's really inexpensive, but I really just like reading it and keeping it next to my bed to open it whenever I want. The 10-year-old jumped out on this purchase because these are 18 fine tip colored markers or pens, or whatever you want to say. They're kind of like Sharpies, but you get 18 of them for $10, and they're actually top rated on Amazon. So if you don't have these already, I think you need to run to the Amazon website and purchase them. I just like them because I can like color coordinate everything on my notebooks, on my notepad that I just showed you, where I keep my schedule, and it just makes everything prettier and it makes you happy. So fun fact is that when I was in high school, I actually wore a waist trainer because my posture was really bad, and so it helped me kind of just like sit up straight, and I noticed that it actually helped. And then once I graduated high school, I kind of just forgot about it, and a few days ago I realized that my posture was bad again. So I went ahead and got this off of Amazon. I actually really like it. It's very stretchy. I got a size small, and as you can see, it has all these like adjustments to whatever size you need to have it. So we'll see if this one works, but like I said before, I wore one for a few years in high school and it worked. So if you have a problem with your posture, I would recommend a waist trainer, and you'll get snatched, so double win. This next product is my eyebrow pencil. I've been using this for about 6 months now. I love this pencil so much, but I wanted to share it in this haul because this pencil is the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil, but it is around $10 in store and on their website, but on Amazon it's literally like $4.50, so it's less than half the price, which is why I wanted to share it. If you wanted to try it out, I would recommend going on Amazon and getting it there because you can get 2 for the price of 1. The one thing I don't really care for about this product is that it doesn't last me for a long time. I would say it lasts me like a month, as opposed to like a pomade where it would last you like over a year depending on how much you do your eyebrows. But yeah, get this off of Amazon to save half the price. The last item is soap. You guys, this soap is so cute. I posted on TikTok and everybody went crazy. So basically it's this little container, and then it has these sheets of soap in it. So cute. Like, all you do is you take out the soap, you put it in your palm, and you run your hand under water, and it turns into like normal soap. I know regardless of the circumstances going on right now, everybody wants to keep their hands clean, no matter what time of the year or what's going on. So this is always nice to just throw in your purse or keep in your car if you need to have soap. Yeah, this comes in a pack of 6, like I said, and it just comes in a bunch of different colors, and they're really affordable. I want to say they were like $8 or something for a pack of 6, and yeah, so that wraps up my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to hear what your favorite product is. I want to know, so comment that down below. Also, if you have any Amazon products that you think I should try, comment the links down below so I can buy them. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I will link everything down below, as well as the prices. I'll probably put them in the video as I go through. I just didn't link them because prices do fluctuate throughout different seasons and like depending on the demand of the product. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said before, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Julianna Astrid. I will link it down below as well. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.